Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of laboratory reagents and consumables. These materials are the unsung heroes of countless experiments, but their management is often overlooked. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bake a cake without first gathering all the ingredients, right? Well, the same goes for conducting experiments. You need the right stuff, in the right amounts, and in the right condition. We're talking about everything from selecting and ordering the correct items to storing them properly and keeping track of their expiration dates. It might seem tedious, but these seemingly small details are crucial for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and safety of your work. So whether you're a seasoned scientist or just starting out in the lab, buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey to demystify the world of lab reagents and consumables. Let's face it, ordering lab supplies can be about as exciting as watching paint dry. But hey, even the most groundbreaking experiments start with a well-stocked lab. That's why we need to talk about procurement, the art of getting the right stuff in your lab coat pockets. First things first, you need to know what you need. Sounds obvious, right? But trust me, a little planning goes a long way. Before you even think about browsing catalogues, take a good hard look at your experimental protocol. What reagents and consumables are listed? What quantities will you need? Are you working on a cutting-edge project that demands the purest chemicals? Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices from different suppliers. Do you have the proper facilities to store the materials you're ordering? By following these tips, you can ensure that you're ordering the right materials at the right price and that they'll be in tip-top shape when they arrive at your lab. Congratulations, your order of lab goodies has arrived. But hold your horses, science enthusiasts. Our job isn't done yet. Now, it's time to talk about reception and storage, two often overlooked but crucial aspects of lab management. Inspect everything carefully for any signs of damage or leakage. Do the labels match your order form? Once approved, find a cozy spot for your new arrivals. Different reagents have different storage needs. Always consult the manufacturer's instructions for storage guidelines. Proper storage is about safety too. Section 4. Acceptance testing, ensuring quality and reliability. Okay, science sleuths. So you've ordered your lab supplies, unpacked them with care, and found them a cozy spot on your shelves. Mission accomplished, right? Well, not quite. Before you start mixing and measuring, there's one more crucial step: acceptance testing. Think of acceptance testing as the quality control checkpoint for your lab materials. It's your chance to make sure that everything is as it should be before you put your precious experiments at stake. We're talking about verifying that the reagents and consumables you received meet the required specifications and are free from any defects that could throw a wrench in your research. By taking the time to verify the quality of your materials, you're setting yourself up for more accurate, reliable, and ultimately successful experiments. Section 5. Inventory management, keeping track of your chemicals. Let's face it, keeping track of your stuff can be a real drag. But in the world of lab work, maintaining an accurate and up-to-date inventory of your reagents and consumables is non-negotiable. Think of your inventory as a treasure map to your lab's riches. It tells you what you have, how much you have, and where it's located. A well-maintained inventory can be a lifesaver, literally, by helping you quickly locate emergency supplies or track down a potentially hazardous material. Whether it's a simple spreadsheet, a fancy software program, or good old-fashioned pen and paper, the key is to be consistent. Record all relevant information, including the name of the reagent or consumable, the supplier, the lot number, the expiration date, and the storage location. By staying on top of your inventory, you'll not only save yourself time and frustration, but also create a safer and more efficient lab environment. Section 6. Conclusion: maintaining a safe and efficient lab environment. Well, there you have it, science fans. We've explored the ins and outs of managing laboratory reagents and consumables, from selecting and ordering the right materials to storing them properly and keeping track of your inventory. We've covered it all. Proper management of your lab materials is essential for ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and safety of your work. It's about creating a lab environment where scientific discoveries can flourish without unnecessary risks or setbacks. So, go forth and spread the word. Share your newfound knowledge with your lab mates, embrace best practices, and never underestimate the importance of a well-managed lab.